how to use Connecteam for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to this Connecteam tutorial. Whether you are just managing a team or just getting started as an employee, by this end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up your account and navigate the dashboard, use core features like scheduling and chat, and manage users and content like Pro. Now, so if you're not familiar with Connecteam, so basically Connecteam is an all-in-one team business management app. It is designed for businesses with deskless or mobile employees. It helps manage tasks like scheduling, time tracking, and communication in all in one place. For example, you can assign daily cleaning jobs via the job scheduling feature, and you can let employees clock in out using the time clock. You can share company updates through the feed, so this keep everything organized. It saves time and it helps manage the team efficiently from anywhere. So let's get started with Connecteam. First thing first, what you have to do is head over to this connectsteam.com. Then you have to create an account. In order to create an account, what you have to do is just simply click on this 14 days free trial. Now over here, you have to enter your first email. Then you have to enter last email name, and then you have to give a business email. Then create a password, and you can choose where did you first hear about them, and click on this let's go. Now it will they will ask you to customize your app in one minute. Then you have to give a company name, and then you have to give a job title. After filling out the information, just simply click on the next step. Then it will ask how many employees do you have. I will choose this one. Then what is your business industry? Is construction related? Which sub industry bids best? Is heavy civil? Then click on the next step. Then they will ask you to add right feature to your app. Like as I said, you have to enter scheduling, time clocking, form and checklist, task management, and knowledge base, training, onboarding, and time of management. So you can choose these app and click on the next step. Now you have to insert your logo, but if you don't want to, you can skip this step from here as well. Click on it. Then you have to give your mobile number, enter that, and click on this access dashboard. Now let's understand the dashboard of Connect Team. Now in the center, you will see add user, add admins, and add tasks and the send an update. Now in the add user, you can invite employees to the platform. For example, you can add a new warehouse staff to the platform with just their phone number and email. So this is admin panel. This is the admin. You can promote user to admin role. For example, you can give your team leader access to manage and schedule your reports. So this is a task. You can add new task. You can assign quick tasks to team members. For example, you can create a task for cleaning break room before Friday, and you can assign it to anyone if the user is in this website. Now, this is a send update. You can share announcement with the entire team. For example, you can notify everyone about the company-wide meeting or new policy. Now, in the left side, you will get to see some option users. As I said, you can manage all people on your team, and this is a smart group. You can automatically group user based on the conditions. For example, you can automatically add all managers to the manage the group for targeted updates. So now, if you scroll down, this is a communication tool. You can securely internal messaging system. For example, you can start a group chat with the all warehouse staff. You can give updates. You can see directory, full contact list of all users. You can see, and this is knowledge based. You can a space to upload documents, procedures, or company guides. For example, you can upload the company handbook or safety training document in over here. So it will make communication more secure. Now this is operation. Uh, this is a time clock. You can manage time tracking and break and shift hours. You can, for example, you can use this to ensure accurate payroll and attendance log. And this is a forum. You can create forms from here. You can schedule a job, and from here you can give a quick task to your user. And this is a HR and skill. You can get access of courses of Connect Steam. You get documents of Connect Team, how you can start using documents. So yeah, this is a time of signing in, sign off. You can go to time. Basically, you can manage your employee paid and unpaid time off. You can respond to employees' requests in second, and you can track the time off balance for each team member. And seamlessly, you can sync with your schedule and timesheet as well. So this is one of the good feature of Connecteam. Now, now in the top right corner, you will get the access of your profile like settings and the switch user view, notification, perk marketplace. And if you want to sign up, you can sign up. If you go into setting, you will get the basic setting of your profile like general, company details, logs and colors, employee card, admin permissions as well. You can take a company information as well. So you get the idea. Now let's add user and admin into your Connecteam account. So head over to user tab under the, as you can see, just simply click on this add user over here. Now it will ask you, it will give you a pop-up. First you have to enter the name, then you have to enter the last name, and then you have to enter the mobile name. Maybe you can use email as well. For example, I will use email. uh, the phone number is required because it is very important to invite someone via phone. So if you want to add email address, you can add from here. In the top right corner there is a bar or drop down menu, you can access that. Now add first name, then phone number, email, so you can add the user. After adding the information, you have to click on this top bottom corner. In top right bottom, you will get an option of confirm. Just simply click on it after filling out all the information. Let's take an example. As you can see, I have added a user and I got the confirmation email from Connecteam. This is my temporary email just to show you how it works. As you can see here, I got the Connecteam invitation link to my email. So this is how you can add a user. Let's say if you want to add admin, click on the admin to add admin. Click on it, and it will open a pop-up where you have to enter, as I said, first name, last name, then phone, mobile phone number, then again email address, and then title to add the admin. After filling out the information, you have to just simply click on this confirm button over here and you can add the admin. After filling out information, just simply click on the confirm. So as you can see, we have successfully added the admin. If you go in the top left corner, there is an option of user. Click on it. And as you can see here, this is the title and this is first name, last name. Then you can set an employee start date, team, department, and scope code, date added, last login, and added by. Now you can see there is a option of user did not log in yet. So if someone is not accepting your invitation, you can see from here. So basically there are only two main roles like admins. You can manage tools and contents, and the user who access the tool enable for them. You enable admin enable for them. Let's say if you want to promote a user, so just hover on the user profile and in the top in the right side you will get to see there is an option of promote. Click on the promote. From here you can schedule rules as well, and you can from here you can say from here you can add a title, you can give a team, you can assign team as well. If you want to give an employee ID, you can give that too. Now this is how you can promote a user. You can see the activity as well, the time of the notes, the forums, the time pay slips as well. You can upload pay slip from here as well to the user. Now let's move back to user. Now we have successfully added user and admin. Now let's move to add a task. Or before adding task, what you can do, we can uh, walk through a core features like chat. In the chat, you can start one-on-one group conversation. It's secure and real time. So in order to start, just simply click on the go to chat. Now, as you can see here, we are in the chat room. Here, if we can see there is we have access of all user. Whatever I write, it will go to all results feed. Now, if you want to add a new, you can add new chat, you can add new team to a specific new team, you can add new channel as well. Now, let's move to team. From here, you can access the team chats. So let's say if you have a specific team for a specific task and there is another team who is working on another task, you can manage from here. So this is how you can create a chat, a separate room for your different teams. Now let's move to job scheduling. Now you can create and assign the shifts. You can see employee can view their schedule, accept jobs, or request changes into it. Now just simply click on the to create a job schedule. Click on it, and it will take you to this calendar where you can start by adding a new shift. Click on it. From here, you can edit the shift details like date, start, and end. This is a 8 hours shift. Now, shift title will be my first shift, and you can assign a project a job as well. Now, let's say if you want to remove or add a specific user, you can assign them to, and just simply click on the publish. And as you can see, we have added a job over here. Now if the user can request to change the job, or it cannot accept as well. So yeah, this is a shift. This is how you can create and get job scheduling. It is perfect for managing your job feed. Now let's click on this button, and now let's move to time clock. Here you can the time clock in the time clock you can track breaks and view hours work. Like a GPS and geoforcing option are available if you want to use. So you can basically employee can clock in and clock out and track their break as well. To start with, just simply click on the go to time clock, click on it, and then from here you can the this is the today's tab, shows your employees time clock activity throughout the day. And if you want to walk through, you can access that. Now let's say if I want to add, what I'm going to do is click on this user, and I can change the in and out date, timing, and total hours, daily work. So you can manage uh, hour from here as well. Now this is a forum, and the forum you can digitally. This is a digital forum for timesheet, checklist, and report. It is easy to fill and submit. We click create. Just simply click on the go to forms, and you will be asked start from scratch or use template. I will go with the use template. Now here you have some dozens of templates like personal info updates and equipment sign out a form and home care task list if you want. You can choose an employee referral form if you want to add that. Select the template which you want, and from here you can add fields to your forum like employee referral form. Our best employee are always coming through the team members, and so on and so forth. And just simply after changing the form, this is a form as you can see here. If you want to change the form or add a new field, you get in the field like drop down a new number, so you can basically customize this form. And if you're satisfied with this form, just simply click on the save button and it will save your form. So as you can see here, you can select the user as well. From here you can you can select groups and specific user or both from here. Right now, all users are selected, and click on the next and publish setting. You have to publish now, or you can schedule as well. Click on it again to the next and then confirm. So we have assigned three, one smart group and three users. Click on the confirm, and this is how you can create a referral form to get a referral from any user. So this is how you can create it. So this is a basic core feature of Connecteam. So you can basically let's add task. Click on the add task if you have any task. Then go to quick task. From here, just click on the go to quick task. From in this is a basic overview and dashboard of quick task. This is a task created by me, my task, all tasks, and archived task. You can access it. You can filter out from by the date as well. and label as well, and this is date created. So let's say if I want to add a task, click on the add task in the right corner. If you want to create add single task or multiple tasks, I will go with the add single task. Just time a task title, create videos. Then from here you can assign to a user or to yourself as well. Now I will choose unmold and then click on the publish task. So as you can see here, we have successfully created a no label assigned task. So I have assigned this task to this user. So you can create task and assign to a specific user or manager. So this is a good feature if you want to track your task, where is the project and what is the update. You can send update, click on this to send your updates. You can use template as well. I don't want to create from scratch. Now new connecting feature, click on this, select this template, and from here you can basically change and customize the template. I will give you this test one title, and then if you want to change this text, I can change it. You can add text as well. If you want to change the background, you can change it by clicking on this. Let's say if you want to add image, video, GIF files, and YouTube video, you can add it that too. Now I'm satisfied with this result. So what I will do, I will just simply click on this next button. Now you have to choose the group or specific user or both. I will choose a default one and click on the next. Here you can change the publishing setting. You can schedule. If user get notification via email, you can give that too. Uh, Click on the next, and you got the summary of your uh, update. Click on the confirm, and this is how you can send the notification and update to your user. So yeah, let's quickly recap what we covered. We covered account setup and login. Then we covered navigation the dashboard. Then we covered customizing your profile and adding user and assigning their roles. You can we have successfully covered using core features like chat and scheduling and time clock. You can um, now that's your setup, and confidently you can use Connecteam. Now, if this video helped you, to give it a thumb and subscribe for more tutorial on team productivity tools. See you in the next video.